Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of Veg Frankie. It's an easy recipe yet turns out delicious. And if you would like to see this recipe in Hindi, check out our channel, The Terrace Kitchen in Hindi on upcoming Wednesday. If you like this recipe, do give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
We'll first start with the stuffing, so for that heat 2 tablespoons oil in a kadhai or a pan. And once the oil heats up, add 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida or hing, half teaspoon cumin or jeera. Saute this for a few seconds. Now add 1 tablespoon crushed ginger garlic. You can add paste as well, but if you're adding paste, add it after you add the onion. Now saute this till the raw smell is gone. And now add 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 2 chopped green chillies or as per your taste. Saute this till the onion becomes slightly pink in color. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric or haldi and saute again till the raw smell is gone. Here I've taken 5 medium-sized boiled potatoes and I'm crushing them with my hand like this. You can also chop them if you want, but I prefer this method. Now add 1/4 cup boiled sweet corn. I boiled this in water and salt and give this a mix. 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder or as per your taste, half teaspoon garam masala, some salt to taste. Now mix everything well and with the back of your spatula or with your spatula mash the potatoes well, and after a few minutes you will see that it will leave the sides of the pan. Then add some chopped fresh coriander. Give this a mix and switch off the flame and let it cool down. Keep it aside. Now for the dough, take 1/2 cup all-purpose flour or maida and to that add 1/4 cup whole wheat flour or aata. You can take whole wheat flour only. Now add some salt to taste. 2 teaspoon oil. After mixing the oil and salt, you need to mix everything well. So I'm using my hand to do that. Now adding a little water at a time, make dough out of it. The dough should be medium soft. So knead the dough well. Now apply half teaspoon oil to it and cover it and keep aside for 5 minutes. So keeping it aside for 5 minutes, even if you're making a roti, the dough becomes very soft and smooth. You'll definitely notice the difference if you try it yourself. After 5 minutes, knead the dough and you'll notice that it becomes very smooth and nice. So this dough is now ready. Take a small portion of the dough and sprinkle some flour on your worktop or on your chakla belan, on your chakla, and then you can use your belan to roll it. So roll it into a thin chapati of a slightly bigger size. So this is now ready. So I'm putting it on the hot tawa. The flame is high and we are not going to completely cook, as in it should not have the brown spots on it. So cook the chapati on both the sides for some few seconds, pressing the sides with a cloth like this so that the sides do not remain raw. But do not completely cook this chapati as of now. So this looks ready now, and similarly make all the chapatis or roti for the Frankie and keep them aside. Now we'll make the Frankie masala to sprinkle on our Frankie. So here I have some ingredients. 1/4 teaspoon citric acid, half teaspoon each sugar and crushed black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin or jeera powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander or dhaniya powder, half teaspoon chaat masala. So first in a mortar and pestle we are going to crush the sugar and citric acid because they are quite bigger pieces and we want a coarse powder from them. So add the sugar and the citric acid to a mortar pestle and crush this to a coarse powder. Take this out in a bowl, and to this we are going to add all the masalas. Give this a good mix, but before that add some salt as per your taste. You can add the salt and taste the masala and adjust the salt accordingly. So this is now ready. So here I have taken some very fine save or namkeen and we are going to coat the patties into this. So take a small portion of the potato stuffing and give this a shape along cylindrical and then flatten it a bit like this. And similarly make a few more patties and place them onto the save. The save or namkeen is going to make our patties very nice and crispy from the outside and they'll taste amazing inside the Frankie. So I've made a few patties and now I'm going to shallow fry these. Now add some oil on a tawa or in a pan. So you can adjust the oil as and when required. So place the patties on it and shallow fry these on both the sides till these become golden brown on each side. This is what we are looking for. This looks very crunchy and delicious. So once it's done on both the sides, take these out in a plate and we have all our stuffings and everything ready to make the Frankie. Now again on the same tawa, heat some oil, add some butter as per your taste. I like more butter. Now place one Frankie chapati or roti which we had prepared earlier and cook it on both the sides till this becomes like this. I mean, you should see the light golden spots on the chapati. And this Frankie chapati or roti is ready. Take it out on a plate or on a clean worktop. Place the patties. Now add some tomato ketchup. So this is my homemade tomato ketchup. I'm going to post a recipe of this too. I have already showed the video. And now sprinkle some masala which we had prepared. This is the Frankie masala. So I'm adding quite a good amount of it. So you can add it as per your taste. Now these are sliced onion which I had soaked in vinegar. Guys, do not miss this. Soak the onions in vinegar and they taste awesome in this Frankie. And it's ready. Now roll the Frankie and you can right away have it or serve it in a butter paper or parchment paper the way we get it outside. Or if you do not have that, you can use aluminum foil or you can just have it like that. Enjoy!